Hello everyone. Today we are overviewing the Intelligent Hand Function Rehabilitation Training Instrument. We're going to go ahead and unbox this and show you everything that you get inside. Bzz, 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 bzz. This is for improving your grip strength. Also works great as a stress ball. This is the glove. You got extra straps as well. Power supply. Little manual. But here is the glove. Velcro's on and off. The internal glove. Now you're going to go ahead and press and hold the yellow to turn it on.
Lengthen the time of finger stretching. Lengthen the time of finger bending training.
So you can lengthen the time, you can make it smaller. Volume, you can up the volume.
Volume adjustment. Fist clenching training mode. Finger exercises. Automatic cycle. Mirroring mode starts. Power off. Mirroring mode starts. Please wear the input glove. Fist clenching training mode. Force adjustment.
We're going to start at number 3 for force.
Now bend your fingers.
So there's different modes. So now we're bending. So there's different modes that go and train. So this helps train. It counts down.
Spread your fingers slowly.
Now it's manually spreading my fingers, and you're supposed to work with it.
Now bend your fingers.
Now it's automatically bending. So it trains. And you can pick different
Spread your fingers slowly. Now bend your fingers.
Now we're doing finger exercises.
Spread your fingers slowly. Now bend your fingers. Touch the little finger to the thumb. Touch the ring finger to the thumb. Touch the middle finger to the thumb.
So that's actually the thumb. So we have it on wrong, but you can still, adjust it however you
Touch
want.
the index finger to the thumb.
But overall, guys, really nice.
Bending the thumb.
You can set it up for automatic cycle, which it goes through every single mode.
Spread your fingers slowly. Bending the thumb.
Overall, very nice.